The world moves very fast. Times change, people's international health insurance needs change, and if you're not continually moving forward, you're always going to be seen as a company that's standing still. In recognition of this fact, and in constantly striving to provide people in all regions of the world with appropriate international medical insurance for their evolving needs, we at InterGlobal are proud to present our updated and revised 2014 UltraCare plans. We worry. That's why at InterGlobal we spent months, weeks, days and hours carefully reviewing and revising our range of UltraCare plans so that they're more geared to provide for the healthcare needs of our members around the world, both today and in the foreseeable future. With those figures to call on, it's not surprising that a major focus for all our UltraCare plans in 2014 and beyond will be centred on the provision of greater levels of cover for cancer and higher overall plan limits. From our entry-level plan, UltraCare Standard, right through to our top-of-the-range plan, UltraCare Elite, cancer sufferers will have greater peace of mind knowing that their inpatient, daycare and outpatient cancer treatment will be covered in full up to the overall plan limit. In fact, all our plans cover all treatment aimed to cure cancer, treatment of a cancer diagnosed as a chronic medical condition, and even care during the end stages of a cancer. Plus, because there's no excess to pay, all our members have to concern themselves with is getting better.
When a member has been taken into hospital for planned or emergency treatment of any nature, the last thing they want to concern themselves with is whether they're covered for the cost of a procedure. That's why our UltraCare plans for 2014 also provide even greater overall plan limits.
With any UltraCare plan, a member's inpatient and daycare treatment is paid in full up to an overall plan limit. So if it's something major such as reconstructive surgery following an accident, intensive care treatment, or even smaller things such as x-rays, prescribed drugs and pathology received as an inpatient, they can relax knowing they're covered with UltraCare.
Of course, not every medical procedure requires hospitalisation. So if, for instance, a member requires outpatient surgery, we'll cover the costs in full up to their overall plan limit. And should a condition which they've been hospitalised for require ongoing outpatient treatment, InterGlobal will cover that too for 90 days following hospitalisation. Amongst other things, this will include medical practitioners and specialist fees, surgical procedures, drugs and dressings. But that's just part of what makes our UltraCare plans for 2014 so special, and why 4 out of 5 individual members elect to renew their plans year on year. In addition to these improvements, we of course still have the range of other UltraCare benefits that ensure that when it comes to taking care of their health abroad, our members have good reason to smile.
We like to give our members options. That's why our UltraCare plans come with a range of benefits, excess options and add-on plans to suit their individual needs and budget. We don't operate restrictive hospital lists. Our members are free to receive treatment at their preferred hospital or clinic, provided it's within their area of cover. If our members can't receive adequate treatment locally and provided it is medically necessary, we'll evacuate them to an appropriate facility, whether their condition is critical or not. And should an insured child be taken into hospital, we'll even pay up to the overall plan limit for their parent to stay in hospital with them until they're discharged. We believe that healthy body, healthy mind should equate to a healthy bank balance as well. So for every consecutive claim-free plan year, we'll provide a discount off a member's premium up to a maximum of 25% for 4 or more consecutive claim-free years.
With all of these added benefits across all of our UltraCare plans, you'd expect that our members would be paying a hefty sum for the privilege. Fortunately, for those members around the world who are looking to take out an international private medical insurance plan with us, they'll find them to be pleasingly cost-effective. In recognition of the fact that the cost of living is increasing and disposable income shrinking, our 2014 UltraCare plans provide more benefits and increased value for money right across the range. This, we believe, will ensure that members and their families will not have to go without vital healthcare treatment, something at the very least will give them something to smile about. And if that wasn't enough, all of our UltraCare members receive free travel security services from Red24 to provide them with 24/7 assistance that minimises risks to their personal safety abroad.
Our UltraCare plans have been designed by us, they're insured by us, and they're delivered by our own professional teams around the world. Where local regulations dictate, our plans are underwritten by insurance partners, so our members can be confident that they comply with local laws. As an award-winning company that has built an enviable reputation for delivering innovative products and services year in and year out since 1998, we have the knowledge, experience and know-how to provide international medical insurance to people of all nationalities around the world, and we're better positioned than ever to do even more of the same.
We're not a jack of all trades, preferring rather to specialise in providing international medical insurance to individuals, families and corporate groups. So we know what our members need and what they don't. Driving this process is, of course, our people. All our offices are staffed with well-trained and courteous individuals, backed by our own medical assistance service, InterGlobal's Assistance. No matter where we are based, we all share the common goal of delivering an unbeatable claim service to every single plan member.